Welcome back guys to the Minecraft Military Force. Today we're going to be building the Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor. Now this is a twin-engine, single-seat, supersonic, all-weather stealth 5th generation fighter jet. It's actually the world's #1 best air superiority fighter jet in the whole world, and actually the 4th most popular video on this channel. It is used by the US Air Force, the only operator of the F-22, with 183 in its current inventory, with a limited production from 1996 to 2011. Unlike the F-35, it's not exported to other countries because it uses this advanced secret technology. You can't just share it with anyone. But yeah, it's a pretty cool fighter jet. You can add this to your Minecraft Air Force base and patrol your skies, although its only air-to-air kill so far is a Chinese spy balloon. I know a lot of you guys have been asking for the F-22, but yeah, I think it was well worth the wait. So here's actually old Minecraft Military Force F-22. Some people are like, I still have this in my world. I mean, it certainly still looks cool, but of course, you know, the brand new one, it's a lot more accurate, at least in color contrast. So if you look at, you know, the wing design especially, you can see like these dark gray elements that show up, and they're based on the real paint job, while the older one, it just had this stone brick for everything. There's not really color variation, although back then we didn't have cobbled deep slates, so I couldn't really do that anyways. And we also made the cockpit a little bit wider, and I just add some more details over here just to correspond to the real life one, just to make things accurate, and added buttons in the vertical, or can you even call this like a diagonal stabilizers. Here's what it looks like in the back, the afterburners and the landing gear. We got the landing gear doors opened up, and then we got the air intakes, and also the middle part, I made this whole section flat. Well, if you look at the original one, there's sort of like this triangular shape that's going on here. This one should be more accurate as well. And like the original one, I have a version with the fuel drop tanks. Maybe you want to send it to Alaska, you need a lot of fuel, so here we have it. Or I could send it to like Canada Air Base in Japan. That's where I've seen a lot of these F-22s as well. But yeah, let's go ahead and make this. So here's the material list, all the things that you need to build this aircraft. I'm just using light Matica for this. And yeah, let's get started. So the dimensions are 28 blocks long, a wingspan of 21, and it's 7.5 blocks tall. Alright, so here is the production line of the F-22 Raptor. Now let's begin here by building the middle fuselage. So the first thing you'll do, you'll add this grindstone wheel, have it facing upwards, a diorite wall above it, 2 blocks tall of stone, black concrete on top, make that 4 blocks wide, 2 slabs on top, slab in the front, and then 2 stone blocks here, a smooth stone slab, and another one underneath it, 2 iron trap doors at the tip. Then underneath stone slab, upside down stone stairs, and then some stone so it links back up to here, stone slab here, iron trap door. And then behind this wall, there's going to be stone slab, and that will be 6 blocks long, 3 iron trap doors. And then above it, we'll add in stone all the way across, and then another stone here, upside down stone stairs here, stone slab here, and then 3 stone brick slabs, a cobbled deep slate slab, and a dark oak trap door, daylight detector on top, make it blue, 2 stone slabs, then 5 smooth stone slabs, polished black stone slab, 2 cobbled deep slate slab and stairs, and then 3 cobbled deep slate slabs, diagonally up another one, add a daylight detector, dark oak trapdoor, a heavy weighted pressure plate, and then a stone stairs here. And that should be it for the middle section. So if you have completed that, congratulations. You're definitely on your way to making the F-22. So the next step we'll add in is black stone button to the side of this, skip a block. Iron trap door, 4 blocks long here, black concrete. And then stone slab underneath, iron trap door alongside it. And this stone slab here, it's going to be 5 blocks long, 2 iron trap doors. And then stone above this area here. Then this part is going to be 3 stone with 2 blocks and buttons underneath it. And then 2 stone bricks like that. Then 2 stone brick slabs. Dark oak trapdoor. And above is this deep slate tile. And a deep slate brick slab here. A light gray carpet on top. And the stone, this part is 8 blocks long, and then a stone brick block. And then 2 stone blocks. Stone stairs. Deep slate tile stairs, and then stone stairs. It's going to be 5 blocks long, and then an additional one is going to be cornered like that. And a slab here to the side. 2 black glass panes to the side of the cockpit. And we'll add in this banner. The banner is really easy. It's just a light gray banner with a black dye on the top upper third of it. Alright, so the other side, it is pretty much the exact same thing. Nothing really deviated from there. Alright, congratulations. Now you're up to level 3. So level 3, we'll just add into the side of this. There's going to be 2 andesite stairs to the side of the air intake. And we want to corner the one in the front. Above it, iron trapdoor, daylight detector, stone brick slab here. And then 2 cobble deep slate slabs. And then 2 cobble deep slate stairs. Corner the first one. Then a deep slate tile stairs. And 2 cobble deep slate stairs. Underneath, we'll make the landing gear. That's going to be a birch fence, a direct wall, and a birch fence gate open up towards the outside. Then we'll add in 2 stone stairs and stone brick stairs all the way across to the front. Over here will be 4 stone slabs. And above, we'll add in stone stairs. This is going to be 7 blocks long, a smooth stone slab at the end of it. And above it, we'll add in andesite stairs, stone brick stairs, cobble deep slate stairs, 2 blocks long, stone brick stairs, and andesite stairs going to be cornered. Alright. And then for the other side, it is pretty much the exact same thing. I think it's carbon copy. Should be pretty much the same thing. Alright, so we're now to layer 4. So we're just adding in, I guess, to the wing part here, smooth stone slab, polished andesite slab, and then stone slab. This is going to be 9 blocks long, and 3 cobble deep slate slabs, a smooth stone slab, and we'll add in 2 stone buns to the sides of this, and upside down andesite stairs, cobble deep slate stairs, stone stairs, and andesite stairs. On top of that, stone slab, cobble deep slate slab, and smooth stone slab, like that. And then on the other side, it looks like this part, smooth stone slab, polished andesite slab, cobble deep slate slab, and then 2 smooth stone slabs, 2 cobble deep slate slabs, and 4 stone slabs, smooth stone slab, cobble deep slate slab, and smooth stone slab. 2 stone buns to the sides of that, and we'll add in these stairs and the slabs on top. Alright, and then down below, we'll add in the wheel, so that's going to be a polished black stone brick block to the side of it, wall in the front, slab on top. Alright, so once you're done with that, let's move on to the next step. So the next step, we'll just add in stone button to the sides of the wheels, both sides. Then we'll add in the wing part, so it looks like this. And then we'll add in cobble deep slate slab. This part's 6 blocks long. Stone slab, 2 smooth stone slabs, and then 3 cobbled deep slate slab. Smooth stone slab right there. Alright, and then on top of here, it's going to be 2 upside down andesite stairs, and then 2 smooth stone slabs at the tip. Alright, the other side, it will look like this. And then this part is going to be 5 blocks long, like that. Then add in these slabs, and then stairs and slabs like that. And we'll also want to add in at the bottom of this 2 stone brick walls alongside the wheel for the landing gear door. Same thing on the other side. Alright, so the last step, we're just finishing off the, I guess, the wing tips. So there's nothing really underneath here, so all of this you'll see from right above. You could just copy it, and you'll see it's different per wing because this side has the US Air Force emblem or roundel. So you would just copy it based on this, and here's how it looks like on the other side. Alright, so that is the basic F-22 Raptor. Now if you guys want to add in the fuel drop tanks, what you'll do, you'll go over to the 3rd smooth stone slab, and underneath we'll add in this direct wall. It's going to be 5 blocks wide, like that. 2 cobble deep slate slabs in the front of it, diagonally down, another one here, stairs upside down, and then cyan terracotta 4 blocks long, and then upside down cobble deep slate stairs, and then 2 cobble deep slate slabs, and then cobble deep slate slab right there. Alright, so yeah, that's pretty much it on how to make the F-22 Raptor. My name is CraftyFoxe, and if you guys enjoyed this video, hit the like button down below and leave a comment saying that you finished the build. Let me know if you guys actually built this, and let me know if you guys enjoyed this build or not. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.